Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently...
The current time is 1:54 a.m.
It's almost 2 a.m. in the morning. So I'm gonna make some ramen noodles to eat and eat it with y'all. This is what I'm wearing to sleep tonight. Put it in the noodles. I am fucking starving my ass off. I'm so hungry. Oh, these smell so good. Oh, fuck. My dumbass fucking put liquid on, like, these noodles are hot. My dumbass spilled noodles on my damn blanket. Dude, what the fuck? This is so stupid. All I want to do is eat in peace tonight. Eat my fucking food. This fucking has to happen. I burnt. Oh my god. It's fine. I'll just pick it up and put it in the fucking plate. I'm telling y'all, that fucking ramen was fucking hot. It fucking burns. Why'd I do that? Ugh. Can't wait to go to bed. I got fucking stained fingers from the hair dye. It does help. Where'd my dumbass put the lid at? I'm losing every single thing. Ugh. Is the cat by my door? Where'd I fucking put the lid at? I swear, I'm losing everything. This actually gets me pissed off. Like, how the fuck did the lid end up the blanket? Whatever. My fucking finger is in pain. If you are wondering why I'm not eating in the kitchen, it's because at night, I get paranoid that a roach is gonna crawl on me, because there's like, at night, roaches come out. We put fucking granules everywhere, all that bullshit. They just keep coming back. Like, I just want to get the fuck out of here. I want to go to fucking bed and lucid dream. And just get the fuck out of reality. I really like wash my hair. My hair is dead, but it's fucking worth it. Like, I mean, look at my hair, guys. I love it. Oh my god. My mom wants me to redo after this. Sounds. If I'm being so quiet, first of all, I'm tired and I don't know what to say. And I'm just fucking hungry. Bro, I should have like recorded myself ate mukbang more earlier, but I was with my mom's friend and I got distracted. Next time, which is probably like this week. I need to get braces. Like, my teeth are so ugly, guys. I can't. Oh, I forgot I was on the fucking video. I just took this pimple patch off, and ew, guys. It's probably made you lose your appetite, my bad. For this, I'm gonna be brushing and flossing my teeth. I need to take care of them. Your dog's barking in the background. Stupid dog. Like, there's so much neighborhood. There's so much fucking dogs in this neighborhood. Like, I hate it. How much I fucking ate. I still have a little bit left, so I'm just gonna force myself to eat it. This is what my hair looks like in the back. Really. Oh my god, I look like a fucking redhead. Now taking my makeup off, and I'm gonna change this to some hoodies and a pants. Oh, excuse me. Oh, this feels so good. Best fucking part of the night. Oh, I take my makeup off. Okay, I have my makeup wipes over here. There. Look how much fucking makeup I got off. I have to get all over, everywhere. Like, oh wow, that all happened in one dot? It's definitely a dream. That's crazy. Okay. After that, I put on anti-aging cream. It helps a lot. I'm gonna use this to pin my hair back so it doesn't get all my fucking face. I do it, you know. I may look stupid. Ew! Why do I look like that? Okay, don't mind how stupid I look. This is part of the damn routine, guys. Don't mind. It's a part of my damn routine. I don't want to wash my hair for the couple of days I do, like. I forgot to wipe one spot down. Makeup wipe. My fucking lips. Dude, my fucking hands are small fingers. I look so stupid, but whatever. I am locked in. That's for sure. And I need to like start posting more videos. It's just I never really know what to post. Oh my god. Dude, I am so scared to like even wash my hair. Because I'm like, my hair dye is gonna like fade out, you know? I'm scared of that. Okay, I'm gonna take my hair down so I can put it up and like wear like a ponytail. This is what my hair looks like down on video. It's really pretty. I really love it. It's so sunny. Oh, it smells so good. This is like one of the best things I've ever smelled. Even better than my fucking shampoo. Take this braid out. Okay. Taking this braid out. I bet my hair is gonna look really wavy. That's for sure. Yep, really wavy. Look how pretty it looks. It's so pretty. Like, I love the little, like, pink red it has and, like, the hair follicle. It's, like, such a, like, a chill color. It's cute. I like it. Even my mom said she's gonna let me, like, dye my hair again. Like, it fades in, like, 4 weeks. Something like that. Okay. I got all my hair down. I just need to get a hair tie. I already have a hair tie right here. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna go get my hairbrush. I'm using this hairbrush because it's really gentle on my hair. It doesn't like yank it out hard or anything. I'm gonna brush my hair really light. So I don't want to like rip any hairs out, you know? I'm scared of that. Sarah did see that. Baby. Baby. Okay, the cat doesn't want to be held. I'm scared like she got a flea in my hair because I was like holding her like really close to my hair. And I don't want bugs in my hair while So I am brushing it out just in case. Oh my god. I'm gonna put my hair in a braid. Anyways, guys, this is it for the video. Bye.